Hey! Hey, Casey right here, and today we have a very exciting video. In this video, why do I sound like Mia Maples? Probably because I just watched her video. Anyway, in this video, we are gonna be looking for my costume, my Halloween costume, because 2 days from now is Halloween. I have waited till the very last minute, and I'm kind of in a pinch now. So fingers crossed Goodwill has your girls back, because if not, I don't know what I'm gonna do. So at our salon, we have group costumes every year. The first year I worked at the salon, we did superheroes, then we did Disney princesses, Snapchat filters, and last year was my personal favorite, Mean Girls. And this year we're doing 90s theme, and I haven't actually decided what I'm gonna do yet. I think I'm leaning more towards like Daria, possibly Selena, but we have to find something ASAP because otherwise I'm not gonna get to dress up. And this is one of my favorite things that we do each year. So if you wanna see what I come up with, you can come along with me. We're gonna go thrifting, so let's do that. I'm home. Just kidding, that sounds really sad.
Are you doing a video?
Yes, you look so cute.
Got it at Goodwill.
Yes. Are you the only one dressed up?
We have another person that's dressed up also today.
Hey girl. What are you dressed as?
Yes.
Okay, hang on now. You look super familiar. Give me a hint.
It's an old TV show. Not like super old, but I was probably like 12 or 13 when the show.
Is it like it's not Punky Brewster.
Yes,
It is Punky Brewster? Yeah! Okay, cool. Okay, so at the salon, we do group costumes every year, and this year we're doing 90s, and so I'm in between like maybe Daria or Selena, but I'm not sure. Or if y'all have any suggestions. Do y'all have anything? Like,
We can always put something together.
Yeah.
We'll help you find stuff.
I think you'll be a good Selena.
Selena the singer?
But see, okay, the thing about Selena is she just wears bras, and I can't wear
We can't do that.
I can't wear that to work, so I would have to improvise. These are the perfect combat boots. Does that mean it's a 12? No. Not quite green enough. It's kind of brown. It's greenish. That's a maybe. They have some super cute Halloween stuff in here. As you can see, they got a whole section set up. I picked up a couple of black skirts. I don't know if they're gonna work, and I'm actually kind of in a hurry. I have a meeting to get to. They could work for Daria. This jacket, the color isn't quite right. I feel like I could do better, but I am gonna have them hold this for me, and I'm gonna come back. So let's go see if they'll do that for me. Okay, so they agreed to hold the stuff for me a little bit reluctantly. The girl I talked to is not one of the girls that I know, but one super cool thing, as I was handing my stuff over to her, there was a little bucket. I'm sorry if you can't see me. There was a little bucket of stuff that people had just dropped off. I know you can't. There we go. There I am. And there was some combat boots in there. I'm not sure how much they were. I don't think they were like normal Goodwill shoe prices. But cool thing is I like the boots and I'll get some wear out of them. And they were my size. I didn't get to try them on, but it said it was a size 8. So fingers crossed. They fit me. Right now I have to run to that meeting, but I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna look some more because I didn't really get a good enough time in there. So yes, I know there's people next to me and they're looking at me kind of crazy. So I'm gonna go now, bye. This thing on. I tell you, one thing I really love about living in this small town is everywhere I go today, I've seen people that I know.
Oh gosh.
Hi, honey. I've gotten to carry on conversations and bounce ideas off of people, and they've helped me out with my costume, and I just love that. I really do like small town living. Although, I'm still moving to Asheville. One of these days, I'm moving to Asheville. Anyway, I have all the stuff. I'm so excited. I have all the stuff for my costume except for one thing. And I think I'm gonna go to Walmart to try and find the one last thing. And then I'll try it on for you guys and we'll see what you think. I'd say I had a pretty good haul. I know the camera's wonky, I'm sorry. I'm gonna try to do this really quick. So, first up, we got some clip-in bangs. I got 4 of these bad boys. I'm not entirely sure how many I need. This is how much the lady said I needed, and I put my trust in her. Basically, these are $5 a piece, and that seemed a little high, but also it was human hair, so maybe it wasn't. I don't know, I've never bought weave. Anyway, I paid $21.56 for this. I know what you're thinking. That's a lot. However, this is my reasoning. I kind of always want bangs from time to time, so I don't have to cut bangs. I can just put these in whenever I want to. Yay, win-win. Next up, we have TJ Maxx. I spent more money on this costume than I really wanted to. But, again, this is my reasoning. All of these things I will get use out of. These are things that I would wear individually anyway, and I get to wear them as a costume and I can continue wearing them. These are all things that I thought were cute individually, and like I said, I can wear them more than once. Okay, capiche? Gotcha. First thing, I got this mustard colored, plain, just long sleeve top. It was only $5.99, so that wasn't too bad. I found this infamous green jacket. This is sort of a army green, but also not really. And it's kind of a blazer, but also not really. And I don't know, I really thought it was cute, and I'll wear this more than once. So this was $16.99. Again, not too bad, but not too great for a costume. This is by the brand Cupcakes and Cashmere. Never heard of it, but I like it, it's cute. Then, of course, in the haul we have Goodwill, and I am still shocked that I found these boots. In my size, no less. So I have these black combat boots. These are Torrid boots. I'm guessing that's good, I don't know. These were actually $15, which is really overpriced if I'm being honest. But for what they are, they're really nice. I can wear them again and again, and I'm not gonna find another pair any cheaper than this. So it's fine. You actually are supposed to wear them folded down like this, but obviously Daria wears hers up like this, and it works out just great. These are, again, these were in my size, so I feel like it was meant to be. What do y'all think? I think it worked out. Last thing is this skirt. It is nothing special. This is probably the only thing that I will not wear again, but this was a whopping 99 cents because everything that was yellow tagged was 99 cents today. So, not a huge loss. The last thing that I wanted to get at Walmart was the round rimmed glasses, and I didn't actually find any, so I'm thinking I'm just gonna wear my personal glasses. They're not round, but maybe they'll give the same feeling. But anyway, how do you guys think I did? I know I spent way too much money on this costume, but like I said, these are all things that I will get multiple wears out of. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure and watch to the very end if you want to see how my costume turned out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. Share with your friends. You're my favorites. Peace and love.
Everyone hates a message board miscreant, but now you can do something about it. Flame Wars, the next generation, tonight on 6 Ed World.
Got to get off. I let it go, pop. Excuse me, I've got to be dirty.